am Sander, and I am the Managing Director for Expandable in North America. I would like to share some information with you regarding the international expansion, new products, as well as the history of Expandable. Over the years, Expandable has seen a dramatic increase in requests and visits on our website from North America. Because we like to listen to our customers and want to be close to them, we've decided to open up an office in South Carolina. This will allow our customers to see our products from close up, talk to us, and get a great understanding of what we can offer. Expandable started through its owner, Michiel. Michiel has been in the trailer rental business for many, many years, and a customer from the marketing and events world came to him with a request for a expandable control room trailer. Unfortunately, none of them were available used, and new were very expensive with very long lead times. So Michiel, being the entrepreneur that he is, decided, I'll go build one myself. How hard can it be? So they set themselves a target for 3 months of design and 3 months of building. And after 6 months, the trailer was actually ready. Customer was very satisfied, and Michiel thought, this is a great business opportunity. Unfortunately, Michiel's wife thought it was very ugly, and it was very complicated to set up, so it was back to the drawing board. But it was the birth of Expandable, and that's how it all started. After that initial unit, Michiel was learning that the business for event trailers was very different than what he initially expected. People expected a custom solution, and they were not used to the fact that an Expandable is standard, that you cannot negotiate about the length, the height, or the width. However, once people started using Expandable, they were learning how easy it was to set up and how reliable it was. And every time a customer used the unit and gave feedback to Expandable, Expandable used it to improve its product and continuously innovating to make sure that the product would meet the demands of the customer. And that is where we are today. Expandable produces units that are reliable and very easy to set up. Expandable decided to take a different approach to the movable spaces market, where the market at the time only offered cheap, standardized solutions or very expensive custom-built solutions. Expandable implemented a standardized production process which allowed them to produce units that were very reliable and also very easy to use and affordable. And when it comes to the ease of use, even I can set it up, so I think that says enough. And through the continuous improvement of the products, they've been getting better and better and better. And all of that is wrapped in a beautiful design package. Expandable's current product range consists of 3 different sizes of pods, a regular trailer and a hybrid trailer. After 5 years of development and customer feedback, we have taken this product line as far as we can, and it's time to take it to the next level, which means we're going to start off from scratch. It means designing a space that can turn into a trailer instead of a trailer that turns into a space. The main reason to completely redesign the Expandable product range was that customers at the moment were always in doubt between our regular trailer and our hybrid solution. The regular trailer is fantastic because of the maximum interior space, and the hybrid solution is fantastic because you can put it down on the ground. However, there's either a loss of space or it's still up in the air. With the new product range, Expandable has been able to solve both of these challenges and create a space that you can both put down on the ground without a loss of interior space. In the past, requests like air conditioning, heated floors, and a rooftop were all added for our customers, but the design was never meant to facilitate these things. So now with the new trailers, we are able to have the maximum interior space, the ability to put it down on the ground, and offer fantastic features like air conditioning, rooftops, and heated floors. Recently, we've been getting some very interesting customer feedback on our products. Customers are telling us that when they go to events and they park their Expandable, it is parked next to another Expandable, which is parked next to another Expandable. Obviously, this is a great problem for us to have, but customers are telling us that they want the opportunity to really stand out with their product and that they feel that there should be more customization possibilities. Obviously, this is a great challenge for our designers and our engineers, but they have been able to crack it. What they have come up with is our edge design and an octagon design. The edge design is the clean and crisp look that you are familiar with when it comes to Expandable, and the octagon design allows for more customization and more branding opportunities. Although produced in a standardized process, there are still plenty of ways to make your Expandable your own. This doesn't affect the build quality or the lead time because all the options have been specifically designed for your Expandable. The options are endless. Let's say you're looking for a mobile hospitality or event space. One great option to select would be the folding doors that will open up the unit in its entirety on one side. Of course, if the weather does not permit that, you can always select an electric sliding door. One thing you should always select is a glass wall because this will allow your guests to look inside and see what they can expect. Or maybe you're looking for a VR, immersive room, or sim racing experience that you can move around. In this case, you're probably looking for a dark space with great air control. This is also a possibility. Over the years, our customers have come up with ways to use an Expandable that we've never even thought of. Examples are a movable office space, or even in healthcare as a primary care office or a dentist office. Some customers even use it in the racing world. They add glass for a comfortable workspace and a ramp to move vehicles in and out. And of course, the rooftop terrace to watch the race. The one question that keeps coming up when we talk about Expandables is, could you live in one? With all the improvements that we've made to our new product line, the answer is a resounding yes. With the improved insulation and all the options that are available, you could turn it into a mobile home. Solutions for water, for power, for sewage are all available depending on your needs. And all of this has turned into what we call our Expandable Mansion, which is the ultimate expandable. It comes with bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and it's easy to pack up and move to wherever you want to go. You want to set it up in the Sahara? No problem. You want to move to the mountains? You just pick up your home and you go. One of the fundamental features of an Expandable has always been user-friendliness. This will now be demonstrated by showing you how to set up an Expandable Touchdown trailer. Park the Expandable Touchdown trailer where you would like to deploy it. You don't have to worry about uneven ground because the unit can automatically level itself. Don't go too crazy, but this feature does give you a lot of flexibility. The newly designed product line has an integrated remote control with color-coded buttons. This makes the setup process that much easier. You will start the setup process by lowering the front legs using the blue buttons on the remote, which will allow the truck to disconnect from the trailer. Now disconnected, the entire unit rests on its front legs and its wheels. You lower the rear legs, first out using the green buttons, then down using the blue buttons, to lift the unit off of its wheels. Now it's time to remove the air from the system. This is done by using separate buttons on the axle unit. After this, you need to lower the unit a bit to activate the system that will hook into the axle unit to move it. You are now ready to unlock the axle unit and rear bumper. After this, you can start moving the axle unit to the rear using the yellow buttons on the remote. On the way, the axle unit will catch the rear bumper on its way to the rear of the unit. The next step is to lower the unit using the blue buttons. Once it is set down on the ground, you can let the unit automatically level itself using the white button. And when level, you can start deploying the unit. The entire deployment process has been rethought to make it more user-friendly. A great example of this is the floors. This used to be a separate step, and when forgotten to raise, the floors could get damaged. With the new design, the floors automatically fold out correctly when deploying the unit. All of this leads to a less error-prone process. The last steps are to add the corner floorboards, pull down the curtain to hide the axles, set up your rooftop terrace, and connect it to power. This entire process of deployment takes about 15 minutes to complete. The same goes for getting it ready to move again. This also takes about 15 minutes. By now, it should be clear that every Expandable is easy to use and move around, has a low cost of total ownership, and is still customizable with short lead times. We at Expandable are so proud of our new product range, and none of that would have been possible without you, our customers. Thanks to your feedback, our products are better than ever. So continue to give us feedback so we can continue to improve, and we'd love to hear from you. And even better, we'd love to see you in person. Thank you.